got the big boy subs.
Oh yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Could you tell me your name? What's in here? Like I don't know.
My name's Frankie Fry. I have two Def Monts DB4518Rs on two AAK 8,000 watt amps.
Remember Joel?
Okay.
You see me a lot years ago.
Six order. Got with the tune.
Oh, that's the back port. Okay, it looked like it blended in.
Nice.
I like it. Did you build this enclosure too?
Yeah, me and my buddy built it.
You know your tunings on it at all?
I don't know the tunings right off hand or right off rim.
Okay.
Got the 218s in there, switched up from the 8 and 812 302s.
Nice.
Got the big boy subs.
Oh yeah. Have you tried mounting it regular, or do you like it inverted, or is there a reason you
I
did?
like it inverted for right now. I might be able to do it since that is like almost like a quad baffle.
Yeah.
I could probably possibly flip them wrong, but I guess since we're in Florida, we have the mounting, you know, the being so hot as it is.
It helps it breathe better.
Help it breathe and cool off a lot better.
What was your lithium and alternator power?
I got a DC power 300 amp, and I have 240 amp Inglaw.
Okay. All right.
6 banks.
Yeah. Let me go look at the back.
But the Terrans did get me a 158.8 versus these. I got best I got so far is like 157.3.
These are cleaner sounding, maybe a little less power, but you can play a little safer and all around better quality.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Korean boards, yeah, can't go wrong.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I love to hear, man. good bandwidth. Yeah, I mean, that's insane. Good code control down to 50 hertz in that song. I like it. And really good bandwidth.
Something different for than anything like drum and bass. You would think drum and bass.
Yeah, it did pretty good though, man. I like it. Nice job.
But that artist, actually, I got that song from was this guy right there.
Rat Cat. Okay.
Rat Cat.
Yeah. Awesome. Hey, where's that demo, man? What was your name again?
Frankie.
Frankie. All right, Frankie.